Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, yes, there's a smile on my face. Yes, I'm a smiley girl. And welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, this video will be a two-part video, alright? This is part one. And please watch out for the next video coming, alright? This right here, guys, is my energy booster smoothie or drink, alright? We have sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, we're gonna use some ripe bananas, nutmeg, almond extract, vanilla, good Irish mash, packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of health benefits. All right, I'm gonna add some almond milk today because I want to make it vegan, vegetarian friendly. All right, you can use either or, the regular flaxseed or the ground flaxseed. All right, it's up to you. I like it ground because it's so easier to work with. All right, there you have it. Watch out for part two. Part two gonna have alcohol, raw peanut oats, nutriment. I'm gonna prep all of this and we're gonna be right back. All right guys, I'm back and I have my ice and everything ready. Now guys, what I'm gonna do, I have, this is what, 1/3 of sunflower seed, and I'm gonna pour it in my big blender. I'm also gonna pour same amount of pumpkin seed. You can use whatever you have at home. The almond milk, I'm gonna add about 2 cups. I'm gonna cover the lid and the power is on. I'm gonna give it a little blend first with those two, and I'm gonna put all right, now it's like that. Take this off. Woo. Now can you see it guys? It purees somewhat. Now I'm gonna add everything else. My bananas, my Irish mash, about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, or you can put 2 tablespoons. About 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. That's good. About 1/2 teaspoon almond extract, and I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons vanilla. And now guys, I'm gonna dump the ice as is. You can crush it if you want, and that's it. We're gonna cover this bad boy, and now we're gonna press smoothie. And there you have it guys. Let's take a look at this. Can you see it guys? Oh yes baby. Now I'm gonna share out some. Thick and nice. All right guys. Oh yes, look at the goodness there guys. All right, let's pour some of this bad boy strong back energy drink, power punch. Yes sir. And look at it guys, there's a whole heap for later. Oh yes. All right guys, I'm gonna add a straw and that's it. Yes guys, yes. So there you have it, my vegan, vegetarian, power punch, strong back, energy booster smoothie. Yes guys, lots of vitamins, lots of antioxidants, gonna clean and build your immune system. Good for digestion, Gonna build your body, guys. Yes. All the man them. Oh boy, can you see how thick it is, guys? Look at this. Ooh, can you look at that? Put back all the oomph in the men them back, and ladies too. Take some of this energy drink, power punch. It's gonna clean and build your immune system for long hours of work. Satisfaction guaranteed. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Can't wait to dive down in this. Yes. Have a good day, guys. Bye.